Did you know beavers have transparent eyelids? Did you know Jupiter's red spot is a huge storm larger than the Earth? Did you know half of all your bones are in your hands and feet? Enjoying God, My Creator is a free activity guide that will help you use incredible facts like these to impact children in your home, church, and community. You can have fun with kids while you help them grow closer to God by exploring and enjoying who He is and what He has done. Whether you're searching for meaningful games to use in Sunday school, devotional ideas for family Bible time, or creative experiences for your homeschool group, this activity guide tells you what to prepare, what to do, and what to say. It's packed with instructions for 75 hands-on adventures to help children enjoy God and the wonders of His creation in plants, animals, outer space, and their own lives. You can download a free digital copy at kidsenjoyingjesus.com. And you don't need expensive special ingredients to make it work. You'll use craft supplies, pictures, food, toys, mud, and other simple things to enjoy God and His creation together. If you want to make it even simpler, there's also a printable pack that you can purchase with more than 90 printable visuals, activity pages, game pieces, and other bonus content that's been designed to go with the activities in this book. All you've got to do is print it and use it to enjoy God's handiwork in the far corners of the galaxy, or maybe even travel through time to marvel at our Creator's awesome knowledge of all things past, present, and future. If you want to go even deeper, you can also purchase this devotional book called God is My Creator for kids. It builds on the same themes and topics as this free activity guide with 4 weeks of daily devotionals for elementary age kids. To learn more about all of these resources and download a free digital copy of this activity guide, visit our website, kidsenjoyingjesus.com.